Hello students, wish you a very happy summer vacation, enjoying a lot I know. सब लोग बस मस्ती में घूम रहे हैं. No study, no homework, no classwork, no assignment. I know you all are in what? In masti mein. But that is not good. Wherever you go, whatever you do, wherever you are now, please be related and connected with your books. जहाँ भी हो, जैसे भी हो, बस अपने बुक्स के साथ कनेक्ट रहो. That will be called a very good students. That's my strong suggestion to you. But good for you also. Okay? Let's come for a funny thing. हम लोग कुछ मजाक करने वाला है आज. अरे इस मजाक में आपको भी शामिल होना पड़ेगा हमारे साथ. So how will you manage this मजाक? With only 4 questions. I'm going to throw you now and you have to answer me. Okay? मैं आप लोगों को 4 सवाल पूछने जा रहा हूँ और उन 4 सवालों में आप लोगों को क्या करना है? बस आंसर देना है. Get my point? Rookie. Come and be careful now. Listen my words very carefully. Okay? My first question begins now. Which thing, or you may say, which letter, okay? Which letter comes only one time in a year, but it comes 2 times in a week and does not come in a month. You understand my question? कौन सी लेटर है जो ईयर में एक बार आता है, वीक में 2 बार आते हैं, बट मंथ में नहीं आते हैं? Got my question number 1. First question is over. Now, question number 2. What is question number 2? Yeah, remember it. Ready for question number 2? Tell me 3 words. How many words? Only 3 words. These 3. Okay. 3 words where there is no vowel. Understand? How many vowels? 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. You have to tell me 3 words where there is no vowel. That's question number 2 is over. Okay? If you don't understand my question, please watch the video again and listen carefully, but be very careful. Now question number 3. Third question is going to throw you now. Okay? So what comes after E in English? Got my question? What comes after E in English? In English, English में E के बाद क्या आते हैं? सवाल clear? Get the question very nicely. What comes after E in English? Third question gone. Now question number 4. Okay? Listen very carefully. कान खोल के सुन लो बेटा. ठीक है? This question is very surprising. You will have a surprising answer with you. If you're really intelligent, you're really clever, you can ask and test yourself and think how quick, how fast you can give me the answer. Okay? My 4th number question is, there is a word. In this word, all the vowels are there. Understand? एक वर्ड है जिसमें सभी भावेल जुड़ा हुआ है. So what is the word? Now tell me. Understand? So there is a word, and in that word all the vowels are there. What is the name of that word? You have to tell me. Okay, so my 4 questions are over. Clear? Now, question number 5 I like to give you as an offer. Summer vacations offer. Okay, with the 4 questions, 1 question goes to you free. Vacations offer. Okay, and what is the question number 5? It will be also very, very funny. How is it? ऐसा क्या लेटर है जो बुक में 2 बार होता है भाई? जो बुक में 2 बार होता है बट पेंसिल में 1 बार भी नहीं होता है. ऐसा कौन सा वर्ड है, कौन सा लेटर है? What is the letter that comes twice in a book? किताबों में मीन्स बुक में 2 बार आते हैं, बट इट डज नॉट कम इवन फॉर ए सिंगल टाइम इन पेंसिल. पेंसिल में 1 बार भी नहीं आते हैं, वो लेटर बुक में 2 बार आते हैं. तो इसका भी जवाब आपको देना है. प्लीज वॉच द वीडियो वेरी वेरी सीरियसली एंड केयरफुली and answer as fast as you can. The first answer giver, जो हमको सबसे पहले ये आंसर देगा, उसको तो मैं एक बहुत खूबसूरत सा ब्यूटीफुल टोकन्स ऑफ लव में दूंगा. एक बहुत वेरी ब्यूटीफुल अवार्ड आई विल गिव हिम. Don't think that I am not giving. Sure, I am giving you 1 word, but who can give me the answer first? And that is the correct answer. All the 5 questions correct answer. Who can give me first? I'll give him a very very beautiful award which will be remembered for his whole life. Okay, Vachu, please now come for your rest. Now your times begin now, and I'm leaving you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Have a great time. Have a bright future ahead. Enjoy Guru. Okay? Bye. See you.